Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is 5:37. It's pretty late to be starting off a vlog, but I've really been in bed all day editing. I uploaded a video today, so yeah, I'm trying to film more of these quarantine vlogs. You know, I kind of like doing it. I mean, there's nothing else to do, so why not film it? As for my eyes, I'm wearing TTDI contacts. You can go down in the description. I'm going to leave my coupon code. You can use it, you know. And I mean, it don't really help me out, but like I do get something from it. Like I love that something. So if you like contacts, I totally recommend TTDI, my favorite contact company. I only wear contacts from them. So yeah. As for today, I think I'm going to practice nails because I ordered a heck ton of nail supply stuff, and I really want to, that's one of my things I want to learn this year, is doing nails. So I think I'm going to film myself practicing nails. That's mainly what I'm going to be doing in this vlog. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy this vlog. Please subscribe. Oh, I ain't even introduced, hold on. If you're new to my channel, you still subscribe if you're not anything from back. Okay, so let's get started with this vlog. At the house, isolation, period. If you're not in the house, then what are you doing? I mean, that's if you gotta work. I mean, if you gotta work, go to work. But like, if you're not in the house, then what are you doing? Stay inside, period. Okay. Let's go. Forgot to mention that I also got something from Ulta. I'm scared to open it. Oh, hold on now. Okay, so I opened the box. So I think this was a free sample. I got this, I think this was a free gift. It's very tiny, so I don't know what's free about it, to be honest. This right here, which is a face thing from Clinique. It's like a face brush, kind of like Vanity Planet, but not Vanity Planet, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, this was 40 something. Badescu whitening mask.
little. Ryan Little.